everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to roast turkey. So this is butter. We're going to use our butter first before we put our spices. And I already preheated my oven at 350. It will take around 4 hours, 4 good hours. That's it. I have to butter it first. We'll add a little bit of spices. This is the spice I'm using. It's a Montreal Chicken Spice. It's a mixture of all kind of spices together. Very, very delicious spice. So with this spice, usually I don't put salt. It already have enough salt on it. You don't want to put too much salt on your bird. Now it's covered with it. Okay. A little bit of water to give it steam. We need to keep that steam going. So that's enough. Now I'm going to transfer it into my pan here, my roaster. Just like that. Then I'll cover it. Put the cover first. Just like that. Now it's time to put it in the oven. At 350. So that's it. We'll wait for at least 4 hours. Yes. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make tilapia. I already washed them. Okay, this is tilapia. I'm going to show you how to fry tilapia. Make sure you wash them clean. Then I'm gonna pat them dry a little bit. Christmas, guys. This is our tradition. We have to have turkey and tilapia. Every Christmas, same. That's it. Now I'm going to put my salt. Then after that, it's just fry. So I'm just using salt, no spices. Just plain salt. That's it. So we're gonna get ready for fry. Now it's time to fry them. Time to flip it. That's how you do it. That's it. Now time to take it out. One is ready. This one is also ready. So we put the new one. we are done. This is the last one. It's done. So our turkey is done. Just take it out of the oven. Took 4 hours. 4 hours to cook. We are ready. That's it. Just look at it. How beautiful. So Merry Christmas, everyone. Here we have beef, gravy, ugali, mashed potato, turkey, and tilapia. Merry Christmas.